So I just wanted to break this image down real quick for you on how I kind of made it and put it together. So this brooch right off the bat is something that's been in my collection for a really long time. I'm pretty sure I found it at a thrift store. So I've had it for years and I've just loved it and never gotten rid of it. I don't know who designed it, but I decided that it would be a really great focal point for a book cover. But then I decided to put it on top of this red velvet ribbon, which is just wonderful. I found this at Joann Fabrics last spring, I think, maybe last summer. They had this whole line of ribbon that was just gorgeous. They had many different colors of the velvet. I have several others as well. There's a white, blue, and a pink that I have, and they have even more than that. But I don't believe they carry it anymore. If you can find it on their website, good luck. But I got lucky. The backdrop is actually just a cookie sheet or a baking sheet, a vintage one. It's quite small. I'll show you photos here. And there's just two sides of the baking sheet that have different textures, like the internal part looks a little bit different than the outside part, so I just decide which one I prefer visually from the two. And as you can tell from the basic photos from my phone of the tray doesn't have a whole lot of color in it, so the color grading that you choose will definitely bring out different tones in that metal material. There is a little bit of the coppery tone going on in it already, but the color grading that I chose to apply definitely brought it out some more.